We are going to do the oil change on a Troy-Bilt Snow Blower. It requires a 10mm socket. So this is basically how it works. I've already loosened this just a tad bit, but basically once this is loose, you want to keep your drain pan underneath. Undo the drain bolt by turning it to the left. Once removed, the oil will begin draining into the pan. If you tip the machine over a little bit using the handlebars, the oil will drain from the engine much faster. Okay, so we're going to confirm that this is indeed empty. This has no oil in it. We're going to add 5W30 motor oil and bring the level up to the dipstick to the top line. Okay, so we've already primed this. 1, 2, 3. This key is in. We need to be on the rabbit setting because we need to go. We're getting it out on full choke since we have snow everywhere. Okay, and we've already filled the gas tank. We have fresh engine oil, and we're going to use the electric start. Push this button for the electric start. Once the engine started, then I immediately removed the extension cable to allow the push button start to engage. I noticed that the carburetor probably needs a cleaning. This machine had sat in storage for several years. Prior to being put into storage, this machine was drained of gasoline fuel and run to drain the carburetor of any remaining gasoline. However, the gasoline being used contains 10% ethanol, therefore the carburetor can still get partially blocked. I noticed this because when I put the engine in full throttle, it started to turn off. I'm placing a link in the description below on where new parts can be obtained. This snowblower definitely needs a carburetor cleaning or replacement. Either option is okay, depending on time, budget, and preference. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment, give a thumbs up, consider subscribing to this channel, and click on the bell icon for future updates. Thank you for watching.